Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have some cases for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have 3 cases from VRS Design for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I need to give a shout out to them for actually sending these cases out to me for a review. They send out the Damda Glide Pro series, the Groove. Also the Damda Glide Hybrid, which looks like it has a kickstand and can hold some cards. And then they also sent me out the Terra series in crystal. So let's get into it like we normally do. Make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? You know, how does it fit? I'm gonna start with the Damda Glide Pro. I do like these wallet cases in case if you're going out around the town, you don't have to worry about carrying a wallet. You can put your cards in here, ID. Look at that case. It has this extra grip on the back, and then you can put 2 cards in there, and then you just put it back. I think that will last for a long time. The question is, can your wireless charge with that on there? We'll see. I like the extra grips on the side of the case, and then you have a little VRS Design brand in there. The power button. Let's see how this thing fits. The question is, can your wireless charge? So, it looks great. I like the black and purple again. Again, everything lines up at the bottom. The vine rocker, the alert slide is easy to get to. The power button is easy to press. The vine rockers are easy to press too. Do you get lip action? Yes, you do. All the way around. You get a lot too. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do, because this lays down, so you get all that protection down there too. So, does it add much bulk? Yes, this little thing adds a little bit more bulk to your phone. But y'all see that grip though, right? A lot of people mention grip, you know, when we're doing these reviews. So the grip is good. I like the little slide in there. So like I said, if you don't carry a wallet, you put your ID and maybe a debit card or a credit card, and you're good to go. You have everything in there, no separate little case. You have a little brand in there too. This is how it looks at the bottom. So does it add bulk? Yes. Overall fit, VRS Design has some of the best fitting cases overall. And this one is no different. Can your wireless charge? Maybe with this, maybe you can't. I don't know. Let's find out. I'm gonna say no, because this is not letting me do it. So no wireless charging. I'm gonna take a minute. I want to look in the box and see if they say anything about wireless charging. But maybe with a different charger. But with my VRS Design thing, it's not letting me wireless charge. But give me 1 second. Okay, no wireless charging. I actually recommend doing it through the wire. So yeah, I didn't think you can, but I was trying. Also, you can hold 4 cards and not 2. So you can hold up to 4 cards in here. So you can do your ID, maybe a credit card and a debit card, and whatever else card you want in there. So yeah, you can go from your wallet to this, no issue, and the case fits great. I want to move on to the hybrid Groove case, the Damda Groove case here. But this is definitely a nice case. So you get the same type of packaging from them. And this is going to be the same case, but it has a kickstand in the back. So again, I don't think you can wireless charge with this case, which is not a bad deal. But you do have a little kickstand. So watch it like that or like that. And you still get the 4-card holder in here. And it has the same glide system too. Has the same ridges here. Let's just see the fit, y'all. The fit and everything else should be the same. So you get the lip protection all the way around. Same type of camera protection. You do get the kickstand, so if you want to watch it like that or like that, you get that same protection and kickstand. The power button's easy to press. Same thing with the volume rockers, nothing hard to press there. Everything lines up. The alert slide is easy to get to. Again, because of the back, it does add some bulk to your phone, to the iPhone. It adds bulk to it, but as far as grip, if you drop this case out of your hand, I don't know, something might be wrong with you. So you still have that little branding up here. This is definitely a nice case. Not even going to try to wireless charge. Let's move on to the crystal one. But I like this one too because of the little kickstand. Again, the same type of packaging from them. Plain and simple. I like it. The phone is falling. Tells you it has some plastic to remove. This one comes with a screen protector, which is cool. Also a camera lens protection. That is nice. You do get the screen protector accessories. And then you just have the plastic to remove. So let me go do that real quick. All right, so here's the clear case. Again, it shows off the beauty. The back is hard plastic. You have some VRS designs. But you had the same type of grip that you had on the other two on this case. But this one will show off the beauty. As you can tell there, look at that. That is a beautiful looking phone. Everything lines up at the bottom. The sides look good. Volume rocker is, the alert slider is easy to get to. The power button is easy to press. The volume rockers are easy to press too. The thing I like about these cases is the grip on the side. Because you can get some cases where the grip is not the best, and this is not the case. The grip is great on here. You do get, you know, the camera protection in the back. Also, lip action around the front. I mean, you have a good bit of protection there too. Man, what y'all think about this one? Does not add bulk. This is not a bulky case at all. I like this one. Let's see if you can wireless charge. With this one, I don't think you'll have a problem. And there you go. You can wireless charge. It's not MagSafe, but it will hang on there. So again, if you want to pick up this case or this one, or maybe even the Pro, you can pick up these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace, y'all. Y'all have a great day.